OpenAI shipped an AI that finds the bugs in your code before hackers do. Welcome to Daybreak. May 11th. OpenAI drops a cybersecurity platform called Daybreak, powered by a new model, GPT 5.5 Cyber, purpose-built for red teaming, penetration testing, and vulnerability hunting. No guardrails. For authorized work. Here's how it works. You hand it your repo. Codex Security scans it, builds an editable threat model, runs your app in a sandboxed environment, finds the vulns, SQL injection, buffer overflows, hard-coded credentials, insecure API endpoints, then proposes patches. The whole threat model is yours to edit. Because OpenAI knows your architecture better than you do now, apparently. 3 model tiers. Standard GPT 5.5 for regular devs. GPT 5.5 Trusted Access for verified defenders, malware analysis, detection engineering, vuln triage. And GPT 5.5 Cyber for the red team crowd, no restrictions, assuming you can prove you're not the bad guys. You prove that by submitting a contact form. Very secure process. Corporate partners already in Akamai, Cisco, Cloudflare, CrowdStrike, Fortinet, Oracle, Palo Alto Networks, Zscaler. The entire enterprise security bracket is now all in. The dev community reaction is split. Half are excited. The other half are waiting for the first jailbreak that turns this into an on-demand exploit generator. OpenAI says the safety case is solid. History says that's a great opening line for a future apology post. OpenAI says, "Don't worry, we've thought about this." Narrator voice, "They had not thought about this." Context check. This dropped the same week Claude Code found zero-day RCEs in Vim and Emacs. A researcher asked Claude to find an RCE triggered by opening a file. Claude did it. End to end. In 2 minutes. CVSS 9.2. Emacs maintainers said it's Git's problem. So your editors are attack surfaces now. AI is hunting bugs faster than humans can write the test case. This is the new normal. AI finds your vulns. AI proposes the patch. You click approve. And somewhere, a hacker's AI is doing the same thing to your prod box right now. Follow Dev Rap AI's hunting your code. You should probably know what it finds.